Come on. Oh my God. And we got the mini for 200. All right, Money Mike here. We are playing a Buffalo Lightning Link game. I haven't actually played this version before. Did I just say virgin? So, $10 to spend. I have about 500 in. 2 more. Alright, should be a little something. 45 bucks. Come on, I want to see a full screen of Buffalo. Come on. Oh my God. And we got the mini for 200. Give me 1 second. All right, Money Mike here. We got the bonus. We got that mini for 200, $10 spend. Going. Oh, nice, 150. Not a bad little bonus. Not bad at all. $730. Not bad. All right. Okay, Lightning Buffalo, we see you. One more. Let's go 15 to spend. Oh my God, that would have been big. 10%, okay, 60,000. Is that what that said? 10% would be 6,000. So that would have been $3,000. Come on. Come on. I'll probably stop at like 700. I started with 5. One more. Let's do 5 $20 spins. All right, guys. Well, oh shoot, that was 56. Okay, let's do 3 more spins. All right, that would have been fun if we got the bonus. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Yeah, that was fun. Fun little game. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.